what does the word fidelity means? After that we have is beneficence, but the patient should be benefited from your procedure. That आपको कभी भी. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nursing with Jaspreet. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic for nursing foundation, that is code of ethics. कोड ऑफ एथिक्स में कुछ टर्म्स होती हैं जिनका मीनिंग आपको वेरी क्लियरली पता होना चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद दैट. द फर्स्ट टर्म दैट वी हैव इज फिडेलिटी. फिडेलिटी का मतलब होता है टू कीप प्रॉमिसेस, टू बी लॉयल टुवर्ड्स योर ड्यूटी, राइट? सो व्हाट डज द वर्ड फिडेलिटी मीन्स? फिडेलिटी मीन्स टू कीप द प्रॉमिसेस. When we keep the promises that we have given to the patient, we are maintaining the integrity of our professions. Suppose your patient called you, and the patient had a complaint of pain. You went to the patient, you gave the analgesic, but in turn you promised that after 30 minutes you will come to reassess the patient. Now you have given a promise kind of thing to the patient that yes, you will come to reassess the patient after 30 minutes. If you do so, you are maintaining the code of ethics of fidelity. If you are not doing so, that means you are not abiding by the fidelity. Fidelity का meaning होता है you have to keep the promises. If you have asked the patient that you will do this thing, which is in the professional outline, right? You have to do it for the patient anyhow. So fidelity का clear meaning क्या होता है? You have to keep the promise. जो आपने promise अपने patient को किया है, आपको उसको ultimately fulfill करना है. इसका मतलब होता है fidelity. The next term which we have is veracity. Veracity में T stands for the truthfulness. You have to be very truthful to the patient, right? Truthfulness का meaning क्या होता है? You have to be very truthful to the patient. This is truthful. You have to be very truthful to the patient. Truthful का मतलब क्या होता है? आपको हमेशा वो बताना है पेशेंट को which is actually true about the condition. Veracity का meaning क्या होता है? You have to maintain the truthfulness. This is truthfulness. You can learn it from this. This veracity में जो T आता है, it stands for truthfulness. You have to maintain it. You have to be truthful to the patient. आपको किसी भी kind, you have to be truthful to the patient. You do not have to tell any kind of lies to the patient, and ultimately जो भी patient की condition है उसको truthfully and एक scientific approach के साथ patient को explain करना है. Third thing is justice. Now what does this word justice means? Doing justice to the patient in terms of care, in terms of the knowledge, everything, right? Justice का meaning होता है कि आप जो patient जिस पर्पस के लिए हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुआ है, जो भी सर्विसेज को वो लेना चाहता है, वो उसको ट्रूथफुली मिले. यू हैव टू डू जस्टिस. एंड जस्टिस का एक और लिटरल मीनिंग यहाँ पे क्या होता है? दैट एवरी पेशेंट शुड बी गिवन द केयर इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड, जेंडर एंड रिलीजन. किसी भी तरह का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल when you are following the code of ethics. Justice का meaning ये होता है you have to give the justifiable care to the patient irrespective of the gender, caste, creed and religion without any kind of discrimination. Like lower caste, higher caste का कोई भी discrimination ना करके every patient is equal in front of you and you have to give the justifiable care to the patient. This is the meaning of justice. I hope it is clear. Next is autonomy. Autonomy का meaning, literal meaning क्या होता है? Autonomy means independence. Now, what does this word autonomy means? Autonomy means independence. Independence का meaning क्या होता है? The patient is independent to take the decisions that are governing his or her life. Suppose whenever the patient is going to undergo a surgery, we give a informed consent. हम उसको informed क्यों कर रहे हैं? Informed consent means the patient has been given the brief knowledge about the pros and cons of the patient's condition, the surgery, the outcomes, the prognosis. Everything has been informed to the patient, and then the patient is taken for the OP. The patient has a right to refuse for the surgery and a right to accept the surgery. This is the meaning of autonomy. जब एक person कंसेंट को नेगेटिव कर देता है. That means the patient is not giving the consent for the surgery. That is a negative consent. That is a part of autonomy. We have given patient 100% autonomy to take the independent decisions that are governing his or her life. This is the literal meaning of autonomy. The patient can independently take the decisions that are related to his or her life. The patient can refuse for any procedure. But yes, being a healthcare professional, तो आपकी responsibility बनती है that you have to tell like risk benefit ratio to the patient. ठीक है? But ultimately, if the patient refuses, we cannot perform any procedure on the patient. This is the meaning of autonomy, and this is the fourth code of ethics. After that, we have is beneficence. Beneficence का मतलब क्या होता है? The patient should be benefited by your procedures. The patient must be benefit. Patient को कुछ ना कुछ benefit होना चाहिए from your procedures. Not harm, but the patient should be benefited from your procedures. जो भी आप केयर दे रहे हो, जो भी procedures उसके साथ हॉस्पिटल में फॉलो हो रहे हैं, the patient must be benefited from that. Next is non-maleficence, means causing no harm. This principle states that if you cannot do good to the patient, please do not do bad to the patient as well. We have no right to cause harm to any of the patient who is admitted in the hospital. This is the meaning of non-maleficence. The last but the most critical code of ethics is confidentiality. Confidentiality का मतलब होता है every information that is related to the patient is confidential. We have no right to disclose the information when we are out of the hospital. Confidential का meaning क्या होता है? This confidentiality means any information related to the personal, professional or the health related, जो भी patient से related information है, be it the personal information, the contact numbers, the history of the patient, anything about the patient, we have no right to disclose that to the others. Confidentiality बहुत ही important principle है that states that we have no right to disclose any kind of information that is related to the patient. वो information उसकी personal information भी हो सकती है, उसकी health related information भी हो सकती है, उसकी marital information भी हो सकती है. Any kind of information that is related to the patient should not be disclosed. This is the meaning of confidentiality. We have to maintain the privacy of the details of the patient. इसका मतलब होता है that आपको कभी भी patient की कोई भी details को किसी भी outsider के साथ share नहीं करना. So whenever you are working in a hospital setup, you should make sure that you are abiding by the code of ethics, that is fidelity, veracity, justice, autonomy, and this beneficence, non-maleficence and the confidentiality. अगर आप इन सब code of ethics से abide करते हो तो ultimately you are increasing the integrity of the patient and giving a optimum quality care to the patient. I hope this video was informational for you. Do subscribe for more. Thank you.